Today is the day that we disconnect from the gas grid. The story starts over 10 years ago when we removed our gas boiler and installed this wood-burning stove instead. And as you can see from the pipework, it also runs our hot water and central heating. And we also have solar water heating to provide hot water in the summer. More recently though, we've just replaced our gas hob with this induction hob. And at that point, we've got no more use for gas in the house. We've also removed the oven that was under there, because since buying an air fryer a year and a half ago, we've not used the oven. So that's going to become a cupboard. But I've not done that yet, because I'm waiting for the gas to be disconnected. So under here is the old gas pipe, and that used to feed the hob, and you can see that's been professionally capped off. So we're now ready to have the gas turned off. So once we had a date booked for the hob to be removed, which was about a week ago, we then contacted our energy supplier and told them that soon we would be removing the last gas-using appliance in the house and that therefore we'd like to disconnect from the gas grid. Now the reason we want to do this is primarily to save paying the standing charge every day. Where we are in the southeast, the standing charge adds up to a bit over £100 a year at the moment. So actually over the course of say 5 or 6 years, the saving from removing the standing charge will pay for the installation of this new induction hob and some new saucepans that we had to get in order to use it. So the first step was to contact the energy supplier, say we wanted to disconnect from the gas grid, and they then sent a form which we needed to fill in to confirm that we knew what we were doing with this, that we didn't need gas anymore, give the reason for that. Then they've booked an engineer to come and actually do the removal. That's going to happen today. In the meantime, the new hob was installed. The installer had to cap off the gas that was running the old hob. So that did present an extra cost in addition to the installation. But like I say, the payback is still within 5 or 6 years, and we're now no longer going to be burning gas in the home, which is not only a fossil fuel, but also produces a lot of nitrogen oxides, which are a kind of pollutant and bad for your health to have indoors in the home. So here's the gas meter. This is going to be removed today. It's a smart meter linked to our smart electric meter. So the engineer is going to have to decommission that from a software point of view as well, so that the system knows that this meter no longer exists.
Really not much to this.
So the meter's gone. I've just come inside and the in-home display is now showing electricity only. The gas has gone electronically as well as physically. So meter cupboard is now empty. There's an earth wire there bonding the gas pipe into the house to the one that's coming in from the mains, but they're no longer connected. And you can see the cap there on the incoming gas. That's now sealed off. They have also removed the lever that operates the valve. But that lever has been left here so that it's there if the gas needs to be reconnected at some point in the future, but there is no plan to do that. So we could have really done that a long time ago. I think initially we were nervous about disconnecting from the gas in case we were going to move house in future and the new owner might want gas, but now we're pretty sure we're staying here for years to come. And we've got the wood stove and there's no plan to change that. We've got our own woodlands to source the logs from. If we do ever stop burning wood, we'll probably get a heat pump to do the heating at that point. So really there was no reason to keep the gas anymore, so I'm glad we're now off it and finally not directly burning any fossil fuels in the house anymore.